All right, here we go. Come on. Let's go. Triple. It's the last one. Of course we're getting late night. Somebody just came in here and spilled a water, and I don't even know what's happening. But it's midnight. It's midnight. That can only mean one thing. Super Refractor free box. There's everybody up in it. Good. Thanks, guys, for hanging out, especially tonight. Look at this. I'm going to bless the boxes. We're good. All right, let's give it a shot. Here we go. All right, guys, good luck. Here we go. Last break of the night, and so fittingly at midnight as well. There's Terrence Williams. That'll be 76 out of 490. 9. Yeah, you got to use your one times right now, guys. Get them. You might as well just get them out there. Stevie's got the Jets again. He's ready. There's a Cordell Patterson. Mini there. That's so, you guys are like, should have saved mine. Should have saved it. Oops, this will be a Deshaun Bolden, or Goldson, sorry, 69 out of 260. That'd be Jamar Taylor. I was trying to think. I was like, when's the last time I like truly like fumbled some cards? Because if you think about it, guys, if you do like 10,000 box breaks, you're bound to get something on tape, right? But I remember there was a Panini black box, and of course the cards came out hot. You know, they came out, I like ripped open the pack, and it was like, and they just went everywhere, and I was like, oh no. There's a 120 out of 199, JJ Schwat. But I remember, and then of course we hit a luck out of that exact same box. And I was like, oh man, as if Panini black cards aren't already tough enough to get in great quality. I'm sitting over there fumbling the cards. All right, here comes the auto. Let's make it one time. Who's going to get there one time? Oh, it's for the Jets, but the wrong Benny and the Jet. That's going to be D. And he's making that face for a reason. He's just as upset as you are, Stevie, for getting that hit. 82 out of 600. D. God, he's everywhere. D. Milliner, Super Collector out of Topps Chrome. Putting together that rainbow set. So if you have any D. Milliners, get a hold of Stevie. He wants them all. There's a Von Miller. And that'll be 221 out of 299. Going to them Broncos. I'm glad I can give you the late night comedy show here. It's almost comical, the Topps Chrome that we're pulling tonight. it's getting a little ridiculous. Orion Nasib cannot be a case hit out of Topps Chrome. I'm more than certain. That's the first box. You got a D. No. Continue on. All right, next box. You guys got 3 boxes total. Topps Chrome. All right. There should be something. I know, if nothing comes out of these two, it's almost, or nothing comes out of these last ones, it's almost like, I hate to hold you guys over the coals, but it's like, do you really want to go to sleep being like, what do those last 2 boxes have in them? You know, I don't want to put you guys in that kind of stressful environment. So I'm going to be a friend, and we would break them, okay? Chris Harper, 10 out of 299. Chris Harper agrees with me. So if somebody has just literally like been like the equivalent of somebody like standing next to you on a slot machine for like 4 hours, if you're out there doing that right now, this would be the time to jump in. It's Tavon Austin going to the Rams. Efert, 222, 260. Give me a focus. Hey, Efert. There you go. Jacobson. There you go. There's Keenan Allen. Robert Woods, up to no good. All right, that's the first stack. We haven't hit the auto yet, right? No, we have not. All right. I remember when I first started the website back in 2011. Or was it 2010? I forget. Here's a Demontre Moore, another one of these. We've seen way too many. 49 out of 499. But I remember I was breaking 2011 Chrome, and I remember I was down at my local card shop grabbing some boxes for the website, and I got like 4 boxes, and I was like really nervous. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get 4 boxes, and this is whenever the site was really, really, really small. But it was 2011 Chrome. Now here comes the auto. I'll finish my story here in just a second. Kenjon Barner? Oh my God. Okay, so but Jacob 360, 24 out of 99. This is getting ridiculous. That's Kenjon Barner. So I'll be able to finish my story by the time here. But so I was there and I was buying 2011 Topps Chrome, and it was the year with Cam Newton, Dalton, all that, 2011 rookie class. And I remember I bought a couple boxes, and I was like, all right, no big deal. I bought 4 out of the fresh case. And, there's a fresh case there. I bought 4 of them. And then we got home, and we broke it. And we got the Andy Dalton patch auto. And I was like, you know what? That's the case hit. I was like, I'm not going back there and getting the rest of them, And then, lo and behold, here's a Frankleton Gore, which would be 2 out of 4 out of 399. I want to say it, friend. But lo and behold, some kid in the shop busted the rest of the boxes. He broke the last 8, and then hit the Cam Newton Super Refractor Auto 101. It was in Beckett. I had it in my hands. They called me down to the shop, and they were like, Brian, this is what you didn't buy. And I was so unbelievably mad, which was So, I don't know. Terrence Williams. Still remember that. It's going to come down to this last box, guys. I mean, that's... I know, man. I know. I was so sad. Because somebody would have pulled it on the website, and the dude ended up selling it for 10 grand. I was like, oh, boy. Oh, dude, that cam would have been... It would have been epic. I mean, it would have been in Beckett. It would have been all over the place. All right. It's the last of the 3. Triple box break. There's Brandon Marshall for the Bears. 212, 260. I hope it doesn't come down to the... I mean, we do have enough people. Here's a nice gold. Who's got the gold? Oh my God, I thought it was going to be Travis Kelce. Almost as bad as Tyler Bray. 16 out of 50. Oh. Jacob 360. Here comes the auto too. Oh no. Okay. It's 29 out of 75. Ezekiel and Za? Sam Kelly. 29 out of 75. Say it ain't so. You're telling me that we have to break the last 2 boxes. That's what you're saying to me right now. Oh, you're right. I don't think any of us will be able to sleep tonight unless we know exactly what comes out of those last 2 boxes. Because Ezekiel and Za is not... Well, don't say it yet. Don't say... Oh, here's an Andre Johnson. 15 out of 99. We can't say it's broken yet. We have to actually see the last 2 before it's officially broken. Here's a Monty Ball. Where is he? Where's SM Kelly at? Stevie's like, show yourself, son. Show yourself. So it looks like the odds are in the last 2 boxes. Unbelievable. Because you guys can... We can all agree that a Ryan Nassib is not going to be a case hit. Or that Tony Romo. Little baby Romo. 87 out of 199. Vance McDonald, not numbered. 2 packs left. 1 almost full case of Chrome we have gone through. I mean, unless you think Blighty Ray Wilson is going to be the big one, that's it. I mean... You know what we have to do, guys. I'm sorry. I mean, you know. Exactly.